This 2017 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Lite 337 bar is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Festus, Missouri, 63028 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, St. Louis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 475 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.